How to fix source not working on Telegram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix your source not working on your Telegram app. So first of all, you have to go for your Telegram. On the top right, there is a source bar option. Go for that, and you have to search for the message, and you have to search for the channel that you like. So if you can't find any result here, then the search engine is not working on your Telegram. Go back and visit your Play Store or Apple Store. Then you have to search for your Telegram. On the Telegram, if there is an update option, you have to go for update, and you have to update your app from here. After updating your app, you also face that problem again. Then you have to be sure that your internet connection was secure and working properly. So to check your internet connection, you have to visit to your other media, and you have to check your internet connection here. So you have to go for your setting of your mobile phone. Then you have to click on your app, go for the manage app button. On the manage app, you have to search for the Telegram. So here you can see that you can clear your data and clear your cache from here. If this doesn't solve your problem, then you have to go to your Play Store and uninstall your Telegram app, and then you have to reinstall your app and log into your Telegram account. So that's the process how to fix source not working on your Telegram. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.